1981 Trans Am trunk restoration. This is a California car that hasn't been driven since 2004. That's 19 years, soon to be 20. Hasn't seen rain at all. But previously was daily driven, actually, up until 1999. Found surface rust in the trunk. The only way to do this right is to strip it down to bare metal, like I have here. You cannot cut corners on these things, because down the road, even though somebody else might own this car, that's going to rust through eventually. It will require replacement of the trunk floor pan. By doing this, you're doing this car a huge service and extending the life of this trunk pan by another 50 to 60 years. And I'm going to use undercoating to get this done. Rubberized undercoating. Look them up. There are a variety of them available that you can use.